Welcome back to Spone Academy. Today we'll be learning about how to register GEN-3102A LED Clock to the SIP server and receive SIP call from other SIP device. First of all, let's take a look at the equipments we're going to be using today. These are the devices we are going to be using for this video. All the devices should be at the same network. One GEN-3102A LED Clock, one PC as the SIP server, one SIP phone for calling test, one PoE network switch. After connect the LED clock to the same network of your PC, open your browser and type in the LED clock's IP address. For me, it's 19.168.1.113. Username and password are both admin. In the basic settings, select SIP. In this page, we can configure the LED clock SIP account information, configure the user ID and authentication ID of the device. Usually these two are the same number. Here I'm going to change it to 4. Display name is the name showing on the other SIP devices when other device receive LED clocks calling. Now, change the server IP to your SIP server's IP address. For me, it's the address of my PC that has a SIP server running, which is 19.168.1.100. Click Save and restart. This is the SIP server on my PC. As you can see, the LED clock is successfully online with ID number 4, and the SIP phone that I configured for testing with ID 10. Now let's try to make a SIP call to the LED clock via SIP phone. Input the LED clock SIP ID. LED clock will auto pick up immediately. As you can see, the audio from the SIP phone can be heard from the analog speaker that connected to the LED clock's amplifier output. In this video, we've learned about how to configure the GEN-3102A LED Clock SIP information so it can register to the SIP server, and also demonstrate receiving SIP call from other SIP device. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.spoincome.com. Thank you for watching.